Sige, papicture sa mong bias niya, papicture mo. Papicture mo kay bias, hindi rin
is Terry Dog. The dog in a Terry costume. 1086. Uy, nagkabaliktad na yung number niya. Kanina 1086. Ayan, girl. Girl na ayan po. Congratulations.
Ayo, away.
May marunong makiyak. Yes. What's his issue? Okay. What's the name of your dog, ma'am? Tommy. Okay. So, for being the second place in best in costume, we have a special award for you.
Ano, mauna sa sila.
Second prize. At, yan. One box of dog food. At this one. Second place, yes. Second place.
Okay, dali lang ma'am. Unahon sa na ko niya.
And yung champion natin, yung three-legged
Okay,
dog.
1, 2, 3.
I don't know if she's still here. Hannah Malandil. Congratulations to you.
Dito ma'am. Okay, pala eh. Dali lang ha. Ako sa kaamuhan. Ako sa kaamuhan. Dali lang. 1, 2, 3. One more. One, two. Sapa. 3, 2. Oh, sige.
Sakatos ha? Per category.
Yeah, mga bayan, grabe daming tao dito mga kabayan.
And with that,
Grabe yung mga...
Dalaw sa gwapo.
you may step down.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. We'd like to call up
One
on stage
more.
Miss
1, 2,
Gladys
3.
from Orlando Pride. Also si Shira Tan from Magic 5. Magic 3. Okay. Magic 3
Okay,
Gaming
tanda sa
Corporation.
gwapo.
Up on
1,
stage,
2, 3.
Miss Gladys and Miss Shira Tan. Along with Acting Vice Mayor Rigo Duterte up on stage para i-award po natin
Okay,
yung mga top
next.
winners natin, mga top
Saka na.
runners.
Okay, last. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Yan na, ito. Kanya na, balik na lang. Katawa ko picture ni Busbel, dire.
Right, so we start off with our top 3 winners sa 3 kilometers. Unahin po natin yung sa female division. Can we have Miss Shara also up on stage? For Magic 3, we'd like to call on David Enriquez to be up on stage to help us out here in giving away the prize or the female. Okay. So we have Miss Gladys and Sir David Enriquez and our acting Vice Mayor Rigo. Okay, female 3K, third place is Gemma Abejaron. Gemma Abejaron with race bib number 3706. And we have Gemma Abejaron on stage. Gemma. And then second place for female 3K is Rihanna Kim Sabuklalaw. 3771.
Taro. Itong gym mo kanyo?
Dito sa taas po, yung ating mga top 3. Again, third place, Gemma Abejaron. Second place, Rihanna Kim Sabuklalaw. And ang champion is Janelle Cabites. Janelle Cabites. Ayan. So 3571, you are okay. And Gemma Abejaron, where's Gemma? Janelle Cabiles is our champion. Okay. Rihanna Kim Sabuklalaw is second place, and third place Gemma Abejaron. Siya po yung champion natin. Yan. Second place. Classic third, Gemma Abejaron. Is Gemma still around? Gemma Abejaron? Wala.
Yung kamay, yung kamay.
Saan yung trophy ni third?